Actually, sometimes I really think if we trust and we have the intention and open to receive it, we actually get to receive it even more. It's
Right.
because the doubt and the fear that's blocking us to see the truth. And if we actually tune into that, because I remember at the beginning, I also was, because I was transition, I wasn't like born really psychic or was whatever, at the beginning.
Well, you just weren't awake yet.
Right. I wasn't awake yet. I wasn't remembering my gifts. So at the time, I doubting it. When
Hmm.
people talk about angels and all that, if 10 years ago you asked me if I believe in angels, I would say now you're joking. Okay.
Right, 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 right.
So yeah, exactly. So I was in that level of consciousness.
Hmm.
But what changes me is that, okay, so at the time, I was half foot in, like 1 foot in, 1 foot out. I'm believing in it, but I'm not so sure. So for those
Right.
people who are there, that's my test. Okay. That's my recommendation. What I did is that I say that, okay, guardian angel, if you're really here with me, show me a sign.
Mm,
Okay. Like only that I know, that nobody else can know. Okay.
right.
Otherwise it doesn't count. I even told them that because at the time I wasn't sure,
Right.
if I want to trust you. Okay. And then I remember my father is one of my spirit guides. He passed, and his, and his favorite, flower is orchid. Okay. And
Ah,
then I
yeah,
say
yeah.
that, okay, guardian angel, if you're here, show me an orchid flower. Okay.
Mm,
Now, because I live in Southern California, so orchid is quite common in the grocery stores and things like that.
right.
So they know that it's not very special for me. And guess how I received this symbol? I tell him about it and I forgot about it. I didn't even remember that I
Right. You
asked for
let
a
it go.
sign.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
let go. And then I one day I was cleaning out the closet in my yoga teacher training menu. A
Mm,
dry orchid flower comes out from that. And then
mm,
I actually burst into tears. That emotional response, I'm
right.
like, holy shit, like this you cannot deny. It's like
Right.
it's like my guy's like, okay, you just see in grocery store, it doesn't work out for you. Like
Right.
I need to give you something so
It
special
has to
that
be specific. It has to be like intentional, and it has to be one of those
right.
things where it's not,
And it
yep.
click. From that point on, I don't doubt shit. Like I'm like, okay, I'm not doubting it anymore. It's
Right.
like I'm completely trust. And only when you really completely trusting it, you actually get to receive even more.
Yes. Yes.